Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
I'm sharing the file. Yesterday's file, same thing. Just download and keep it. Don't open that. Open a blank Excel workbook. I repeat, open a blank Excel workbook. Once you open, you just need to click on Data tab. In this data, you have a Get Data option from File from Excel workbook. And then you need to select the location, the file which I have shared with you guys. Please do it. I'm waiting. Once you have done, now in this, you have full names which you're seeing, and I want you guys to click on transform data. Can you guys do it? Select the full names and click on transform data. I hope everyone is done.
Yes, sir.
I need a response because it's a online classes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you got the name, full names, and I want you guys to extract first name, last name, and mid name. Can you guys try it? What you have done yesterday? First name, mid name, and last name. Go ahead and do it.
Sir, can you repeat from the first, sir?
Yes, please. You just need to go to the data tab, get data from file from Excel workbook. And then you need to select the file which I've shared it in the chat box, which is known as Power Query data. If you import there, you're gonna get this option over here, a navigator window. And here you need to select full names and click on transform data. You'll see transform data, just click on that and it will redirect to Power Query. I hope you got it.
Yeah.
Yes, Ayub.
So yesterday I have discussed about first name, mid name, and last name. Have you guys done that?
Yes.
Are you sure the names are very clear? Cross check once. I'm waiting.
Somewhere it says null, sir.
It says null.
Null, last name. Yeah.
But the question is, Salman Khan. It should be a mid name or last name. Khan.
It should be last name.
Okay. Now please listen carefully. So whenever you represent, first name, mid name, and last name, and even first name and last name, which I said in Excel we'll be discussing. The same concept is here. See, in Excel, if you're doing it is very hectic job. Okay. But in Power Query, it is very easy. First step, please listen carefully and then try in your system. So the first step is you have to click on use first row as header. This is the first step, which you need to select. So the first row will convert into a header. After doing this, you have to right click and you have to use split column by delimiter. And here you're gonna use rightmost delimiter. Why rightmost? Because I need first to extract the last name. To extract the last name, we're gonna use rightmost. If I click OK, I'm gonna get that answer. So I got last name as a Khan. Then again, I'm selecting the same column here, right click, split column by delimiter. And here leftmost in the sense it will extract only the first name. And if I click OK, I'm gonna get first name, mid name, and last name. I hope everyone is clear with this. The concept
Yes,
is
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Remove the steps and try it. Remove the steps. Till where you will be removing? Till here. Whatever you have done, just remove the steps and do it again.
Sir, will you once again tell me because I'm attending this time? Excuse me, sir. Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
मैम सॉरी सर प्लीज एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए अभी मैंने अटेंड किया है
तो वेट कीजिए ना, पहले उन लोग करने दीजिए, उसके बाद मैं एक और बार एक्सप्लेन करूँ.
थैंक यू सर
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Again, I'm showing, please have a look. I'm just removing the steps one by one, whatever I have done. So first thing, we'll be having a full names column, and here I can see no column header. To get the column header, I can see here the full name is in the row number 1. So I have to click on use first row as header. So it will convert into a column header. So this is the first step. After doing this, I have used right click, split column by delimiter, and I have used rightmost delimiter and clicked OK to extract the last name. Then again, I have selected the same column, split column by delimiter and leftmost. So you got first name, mid name, and last name. And this is known as your first name. This is known as your mid name. And this is known as your last name. I hope this makes clear to everyone. Any question, guys? Online students?
No, sir.
I hope you're clear with this map.
Yes, sir. Sir?
I hope you are clear now. Okay.
Sir.
Now you want to extract the information. Suppose you need more data to load here. You have only one table. Now, if you want more tables, then you have to click in Home tab. You have here the option called Recent Source. If you drop down this, you will see Power Query data. And if you click on that, you will see the navigator. If you want to choose multiple orders in one single go, then you can use here, select multiple items. Okay, for example, I want to select here the tables of Jan, March, and Feb. I want to select these 3 tables. Once I select these 3 tables, and if I click OK, it will be loading here. So can you guys try once? So you got Jan, March, Feb. I'm waiting, just let me know. Home tab, recent source, Power Query data. You will be seeing in your screen. Once you click here, you need to select here, select multiple items, and then select Jan, Feb, and March data. If you're done, let me know, guys.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done,
Thank
sir.
you. Good. Okay, so you have 4 tables now, if you see in the query. So this is called as your table view. In the left-hand side, you will see table. Right-hand side, you will see Power Query, which is known as your apply step, the query settings part. Okay, and this is your tables, the columns. Whichever the table you select, it will show you in the green color. Okay. Now, coming back to the full name. Do you see here null values? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I want to replace with nothing. Replace with what? Nothing. So for that, we don't have to write the replace value. We will be selecting here all the 3 columns, right click. You will be seeing replace value here. Do you see this? Replace value.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you click on that, now what value you have? It is a small
Null.
sensitive, so you have to type null. Same as it is, you need to type. And what you want to replace with? Nothing. Don't type anything here
Space.
and then click OK. Automatically it got deleted. Clear? Check it out, please. If you're not getting, it's available here itself. First, select all the 3 columns with the help of Control A. Then click on this replace value and type here null and click OK. That's it. I'll wait here. None.
Sir, the file again. I joined late.
I hope everyone is done with this now. Okay. Now coming to this 3 tables. Okay. How many columns and how many rows you are seeing, guys? If you refer the below one, the left bottom. Can you see here?
3 columns
3
and
columns,
15
15 rows.
Yes. In March 1, how many?
3 columns
3
and
columns,
15.
15.
And Feb?
3 columns,
Same.
15, same.
Okay. So if I calculate all the 15 rows, 15 into 3.
45.
45.
So you should get all the 45 data in one single table. Okay. So where you're gonna use here one option which is called as append queries. So in home tab, you have an option called append queries. So for few users, they will be showing 2 options here, append query and append query has new. For single users or for few users, it will show only append queries. So if you guys are seeing both, select the second one, which means you're creating a new table here. If you click on this, now by default, it will take first table has Feb. If you want to change to Jan, select the Jan. Second table has Feb. And if you want to choose the third table, click on 3 or more table and select the March, add it, and you will see Jan, Feb, March, all the 3 tables. If you click OK, now it is creating a new master table, which is known as 3 columns and 45 rows. So all the 3 months of data you can see here. So this is where append query will be used. Append query will append all the 3 and it will give you in one single table. Can you guys cross check?
Done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Done, sir.
So I hope everyone is getting any questions here.
No, sir.
So now, next option. Again, if you want to add more tables, you can add it from here. From where? From recent source. In home tab, you have a recent source. You can just click on this and you can click again Power Query data. And then you can click on the multiple selections. And you can use here the table which is known as order data. And somewhere you will be having target. I'm just selecting these two tables. Please select and click OK. I'm waiting here.
Okay, sir.
Ayub, I am able to get append in the same table. So in the Jan, I'm able to get 3 data, but how did you get a different table altogether?
Do you have these two options or single options?
No, just one option, no drop down.
Then we can't do anything because it's based on the version, ma'am. But in
Okay,
Power BI, you will be learning that. Okay. These all concept is related to Power BI only. Don't worry.
okay.
So I'll be teaching you there and there you can use again. This all concept will come there also again. One more time.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, everyone. I hope everyone extracted the data, Power Query data.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And I want you guys to select here raw data 1. Sorry, order data 1.
And
It should-
target data.
Yes, order data 1 and then target data. So you will be selecting these two and click OK. And you will get both the tables here. Now, please analyze these two tables, order data 1 and target table, which is the common column, what you need, what your manager required. Just analyze that and let me know.
Region.
It's a common column, but what
Region.
your manager required. Just check it out and let me know.
Is it region-wise target versus the sales achieved or the profit?
So in short, we need here, we already have here the columns, but we don't see any column related to target. So we have target here. Each region, this is the target. So we want to extract this target column into this table. Okay, into order data table, we need to extract the target. So first you need to select the order data. Okay, you need to select that. Then you have to click on in home tab, you will be having merge query. Either you can create a new table or you can work on the same table. Choice is yours. So currently I need in the same table. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this merge query, the first option. If I click on this first option, merge query, and by default, it is taking order data. Which table you're selecting, it will show you here. Now, second table should be which one? Your target data. So you have selected order and target. What is the common column between these two tables?
Region.
Region.
So you need to select these two regions. Then only you will get that OK option. If you're not selecting, you will not get. See there. If you select randomly wrong column, then it will not work. So you need to select the same columns and then click OK. Automatically, it will show you here in the last same table, last column, it will show you the information. And then you need to click on arrow button and you need to select only the target column and click OK. You got the answer. From target data table, you have extracted target column based on the each region wise. Can you guys cross check once till here at least?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir, repeat once again.
See here, sir. So first you need to select this table. Okay. And in this table, you need to add the target from this table. So two different tables you have. So for that, you will go to the merge queries and you will select the second table called target data. You will select both the columns, region and region from both the tables and click OK. And you will get till here. Are we good till here? Just check it out and let me know.
Done, sir.
Once you have done, expand this arrow and then select the target and click OK. You'll get the option.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Okay. So this was your merge and append. So append means it will add the data. Okay. Merge means it will add a column. So there's the concept of append and merge. Any questions here? Anyone? So if you're not understanding, let me explain you here in a simple way. You don't have to do anything, just listen carefully. That's it. So imagine you have month-wise sales. Okay, you have Jan, and Jan. So here. So these are the three names which I have it. 3,000, 4,000, 6,000. So here I have one more table, which is called Feb. Okay. And I have one more table, which is called March. Okay. So these are the three tables I have it. So three tables for what? For the sale of month-wise, Jan, Feb, and March. Now I want to combine all these three tables in one single go. So I want to see how much Ayub sale is there. Are you guys getting it? Yes or no? So how are you gonna calculate this? Will you be able to calculate?
No, sir.
No, right? If you want to calculate, then tomorrow it will be more columns like that. So instead of doing that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add these all three tables, three columns in a one single table like this. Okay, and then we're gonna select the Feb month and we'll add below this. And the same thing applies for March month. Now, which is very easy to understand and to calculate? Ayub sale. Which one is easy? This one, single master table, or the separate month-wise table?
Master table.
Master table.
So this is called your append.
Append.
What do we call?
Append.
Is it clear now, the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second question I have. So imagine you have region, south, east, west, and north. And you have a sales. So you have these sales. Now, even you have a quantity. And you have the names also. So you have these names. Now, in another table, you have region-wise target. So here, so now, if I want to know what is Ayub target, then how can I get it? What option I have to use here? Anyone? Any idea? In
Merge.
Excel?
Merge.
Merge we know that is in Power Query, but in Excel.
Concatenate.
Concatenate.
Concat.
Add con.
It's VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP.
So you're gonna combine these two. And this is how you're gonna use in Excel. So instead of writing VLOOKUP, what we have done in Power Query,
Merge.
we have used merge. So why we have used merge? To extract the target column from here, this table. This is separate table and this is separate table. Now you got it, this target. So do you want this table now? You don't require. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So when extracting only the specific column, then you will be using merge query. Which option you gonna use?
Merge.
Clear on this? Any questions now?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the Power Query again. Again, please add a new source. Click on Power Query data. And here we'll be doing some calculations or we'll be removing extra space and all. So please select this option, extra space and employee names. And then select multiplications, subtraction, addition, date and time, and divide. Whatever the selections I have done, please select and click OK.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Just click OK and you're gonna get here the option. So once you get this, all the tables will be added here. So first thing, I want you guys to click on extra space. Now, do you guys got to know that in this column you have an extra space, right? Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
If you don't know, then how to calculate? You have to go to add column. In this add column, you will be seeing extract option. To find out how many characters Imran Khan is, you will be using extract option. So you can see here. How many columns do you see here now? The rows count, the text one. Imran Khan should be actually 10, but you're getting how many? 29.
29.
So where this column need to be cleaned. So if you click on this and if you go here in the format, you have something called trim. If you click on trim, it will remove all the extra spaces. And again, if you want to cross check the length, you can check the length. Earlier it was 29, now it is 10. So I've just selected this column, extracted length of the character, which means how many characters we have. Then again, I have selected the same column, format, and I have clicked on trim. Trim will remove the extra space. And I have selected this column, then I have extracted the length to cross check earlier how much it was, now how much length it is. Can you guys check it out?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I lost internet connection. Can you please tell this one again?
Sure, buddy. No issues. See, in extra spaces, we have a extra space between the names or in the starting or ending. Is it clear? The
Yes.
concept is clear. So you will be clicking on add column and extract the length of the character. So you will see 29 character for Imran Khan, which is wrong. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to select this name, go to format, and you will be seeing trim option. If you click on trim, it will clean the data. It will remove the extra space. To cross check, again, you have to click on the extract length and you will see the length. Clear?
Thank you, sir.
I hope everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to get this upper name or lower name, then you will be using format, uppercase. If you see here, you will get all the letters into uppercase. If you select this column, and if you want lowercase, you can see all the name has a lowercase. If you need in a proper way, then format, capitalize each word. Just cross check in the format, you have 3 options. So it is adding an extra column. Check it out, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Now, we have here date and time. Or before date and time, you can just click on addition part. If you want to add all the 4 quarters, then you have to select all the 4 tables, Control A, select all the 4 columns, in addition table, go to standard and click on add. You will see the output. Okay, if you want to see that. If you want to subtract, again, I'm clicking on subtract. If you want to subtract earning minus such expenses, then you have to select this column, control, then select these two columns, standard and subtract. You're gonna get this output. If you wanna multiply, so you have to click on the multiplication, select this column and this column, standard, and click on multiply. You're gonna get this output. Can you guys try till here? Addition, subtract, and multiplication. Do it and let me know.
Sir, division also. Sir,
Yes, please.
division also need to do.
You just need to select all the 4 columns, ma'am. Go to
Yeah.
standard and click on add.
Yeah. No, I'm asking division also need to do. You told.
You want to try it? Go ahead and try it.
Okay.
So you guys need to select divide, okay, delivered, and then order, and click on standard and click on divide. So it will convert into a decimal value, then change into percentage. This option also you can do. Another option you have, in short, if you want to get the same percentage, delivered and divide, click on this and you have to use percentage of. And you're gonna get the same output. Convert into a percentage. That's it. But here you'll be seeing 9333. So that is the reason you can't convert into percentage. And you'll not get the percentage icon also. But here you will get the percentage. That is the differences. Okay. So I would suggest you to take the division part. First select this and this, then go to standard and click on divide. Then after doing that, click on this and select the percentage. I hope we are clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these were all about your Power Query. So how can you do calculations? I have shown you. How can you clean the data? I have shown you how to add the data and how to add the columns like a VLOOKUP and all. So you can do all the things. Any question in this Power Query? Anyone?
No, sir.
Can I get the answer, please?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you. Now, coming to one question here. Let's go to this order data again. Come to this order data. Now you are seeing here quantity from 10 to 50. Now let's assume that yes, you have taken order first and then delivered. We have taken delivered first, then order. Okay, so that is the reason you're getting different value. So we have to select the delivered, then divided by order. Okay, now coming to this concept here. So now your boss has requested you to get the condition if the quantity is lesser than 20, it should be bad. If the quantity is greater than 35, it should be excellent. Okay, no, we'll just take good and bad for the timing. Excellent will take later. If the quantity is greater than or equals to 20, then it should be good. So we have two conditions first. We'll go with the two conditions. So how is the quantity performance? We'll be seeing it. So if you want to see that, what option you're gonna use? In add column, you will be seeing one column called conditional column. So this, what it will do, it will add extra column for you based on your conditions. Now my condition is sum of quantity, whatever the quantity you're seeing, if the value is lesser than 20, it should show me bad or else good. So let's see. If I click on this conditional column, and if I use here new column name, suppose I want to give here quantity status, and now if quantity lesser than value called 20, then what I need? I need here
Bad.
bad, or else it should be what? Good. This is how the output works. Please make a note like this. Go ahead and do it. Now, if you click OK, you'll get the output here. Can you see? Good, good, good. Somewhere if it is lesser than 20, it is showing you bad. Clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Now let's try. Can you guys try this now? And let me know.
Done.
Done, sir.
Good one. Now let's see. I'm just giving the name. Has a quantity. State is 1. And here, if the quantity is lesser than 20, it should be bad. Again, add a clause. If the quantity is greater than 35, it should be excellent, or else it should be good. So this is the condition. I hope everyone has created like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So once you click like this, yes, you're gonna get the output here. So all the information you'll get it, and then you can just go back to the home. You can just click on home and close and load. Once you load every data, you will get it here. And if you select the order data, you can see the status over here. So whatever the changes you have done, it will apply and it will show you here. So this is how it works. So if you have any questions, you can ask.
Sir, explain it once.
What, sir? What do you
How
want me
you,
to?
sir, how we get this data here?
First, you need to go to add column. Okay. Then select the conditional column. And then once you select that, you have to give the conditions here. So what is the condition you have given? You have given if the quantity is lesser than 20, it should be bad. If the quantity is greater than 35, it should be excellent. If it is between 20 to 35, it should be good. Once you're done with this, click OK and come to the Home tab and close and load. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Once you click on this, you'll get it back here. Clear?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you. If you're done, please save this file.
Sir, we have selected one more column over here that is of date and time.
Timer. Where?
In this Power Query, we have selected multiple tables. So we have also selected this table of date and time.
Okay, we have date and time also, right?
Right.
Everyone switch back to the Power Query again. How to switch back to the Power Query? Yesterday I have shown you. Just you need to go to the query and click on edit. If you're not seeing query, select any one table, you'll see that query option. Click on that and click on edit. And switch back to the date and time column. Are we on the same page now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So to extract, the date separately and time separately, you will be using here the option called add column. In that add column, you will see date and time. So if you click on this date and click on here date only, you will be extracting the date. Okay. To extract only the date from this table, this column, then you will be selecting date only here. Once you get the date, you just need to select this column. From here, if you want to extract the year, you can select the year. You'll get it. From the same column, if you want to extract the month, name of the month, you can extract it like this. From the same column, if you want to extract the day, you can extract the day, name of the day. So it will show you that. So this is how you can extract without writing the formula. Check it out, please. I hope you guys are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how the date and time. Yeah. Anyone, any question? If it is all good, please click on Home tab and close and load and save the file. And now you guys can take a break for 5 minutes and then we'll be back with a different topic. I hope we all are back.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank So the next concept, as I said yesterday, Power Query and Power Pivot. So these two concepts we're gonna discuss, as I said. So whenever you want to work on Power Pivot, you have to go with a flow like Power Query. So in short, you have to work with Power Query first. Why we need to use a Power Query? Because we need to extract the data. To extract the data, we're gonna use Power Query. Then after that, to clean. If it is not cleaning also, at least cross check, which means verify the data. Then after that, we're gonna load it. Okay, load where? Load to Excel. Once we load it, now it depends on the second scenario. Okay, what is the second scenario here? If you have more than one table, then we're gonna use Power Pivot. To combine multiple tables, we're gonna use Power Pivot. So after loading in Excel, the most important step is your Power Pivot. Okay, to create, in short, I'm just writing, to create a relationship between two or more tables, we will use Power Pivot. Okay, and there is a condition, two or more tables. In short, we're gonna use here common column entities or values. Okay, so what is that common column entities or values? Let's assume that if I write here country, India, Spain, France, okay, and the sales, if I write it here, 6,000, 8,000, 3,000, this is one table which you're seeing. So table 1. Now again, we'll be having a table 2, where you will be seeing country, sales, or sorry, country target, where you may have India, target is 8,500, Japan, 3,500, and Germany, you may have 5,000. Now, these are the two tables which they are saying you. So between these two tables, what is a common column?
Country.
Country is a common column. Okay. So if I type here state, now, which is a common column?
Common column is sir India.
That is called values.
Okay.
So when I talk about values, these three should be checked. Whenever anyone asks you, you need to cross-check the values, not the column header.
Okay,
I
sir.
never mentioned column header here. Common column entities or values. So whatever the column header may be, the output should be similar to each other. Then only you will be building relationship, or else the relationship will not work. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, what you're gonna get from out of this? Okay, out of this, you're gonna get country, India, and you will see here target, and you will be seeing the result as a sales. So country target 8,500 and sale is 6,000. And here you will be seeing Japan. Japan, you have target of 3,500, but the sale is 0. And next you will see Germany. 5,000 is a target and the sale is 0. And here also the same concept you will be seeing. Spain, this target is 0, but the achievement is 8,000. And France is 3,000 is sales and target is 0. So this is how you're gonna build the relation. To get this table, you need to create a relationship between table 1 and table 2. I hope everyone got this.
Yes, sir.
This is how you're gonna create it. In case if you don't have India, suppose you have here China. Now, what do you think? Will it build the relationship between these two tables?
No, sir.
Actually, it will build, but it will give you the wrong information. It will not give you the accurate one like this. Okay, it will give you the wrong update. So you can't place all the countries in the same place like this. You can't place it. At that time, how it will work, it will work like this. This will come like this. This will show you below like this. And then it will mention as country. And this will show you your target like this. And this will show you your sales. So it will be shown in this way. So which one is a proper format? The first one or
First
second?
one. First one.
So you will be presenting to your manager like this or like this.
Like this, sir, country target sales.
So this is your result and this is your result 2. So you
Result.
decide whether you want to place it to the management result or result 2. Choice is yours.
Result.
So result in the sense, then you have to create a relationship between the tables, or else you will get the result like this. Okay, now let's see in Excel how it works. So for that, you should have a table. So I'm gonna provide you the table first. So please log in with your, laptop, not with mobile. If you're logging with mobile, then you'll not get the output. I'm just sharing the file. Please refer. Just download, don't use it. Just download it and keep it.
File is not shared.
It's already shared, ma'am.
Oh,
Check it out.
yes.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
I hope everyone got the file.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
the first step is data. Get data from file from Excel workbook. And then select the table. Which one I said? Power Pivot data. Click on that and import the data. So you just need to click on select multiple items, customer, product, and sales. So I want you guys to select these three tables. Are we right here?
Yes, sir.
Click on the transform data.
Sir, repeat once again.
Click on get data, sir. From Excel workbook, same like a Power Pivot. So Power Query, how you load it, same way you need to do that. Get data from file from Excel workbook. Okay. Now you need to select the file which I have shared with you, Power Pivot data. You should not open that file, okay? Click on that and import. Once you have done, you have to select the multiple items and select customer, product, and sales. And then transform data.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you guys analyzed the table now? Till 2 minutes, what I gave you the gap? Between all these three tables, which is a common column? Any idea? So if you see customer table first, you have 5 columns, okay, which is showing you ID, customer, gender, area, and professions. And here in the product ID, category, name, size, price, and cost. Is this customer and product is matching anywhere? Is it matching? Yeah, no.
ID.
No.
The product
As I said,
ID.
no way.
Sir, it
As I
was
said,
interlinked with
ID
customer ID.
0001. And if you select in product P001, is it a right one?
No.
I said about the values. Don't check the column header. Again and again, I'm saying, just check the values. Now, if you go to the sales table, do you see somewhere customer ID? Do you see somewhere product ID?
Yes, sir.
So this is how it works. So first you need to analyze which column is available and which column is required here.
Product ID, product.
So close and load first, everyone. Once you load, you'll get the table all over here. Sales, product, and customers. I'm waiting here. If you're done, let me know.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay, once you're done. Now, the second option, remember, do you have a power pivot over here in this table? I have power pivot. Do you guys have it? The first question I have now, after loading the data.
Yes, sir.
Only one user because you have already got it. Anyone else?
No, sir.
Thank you. To get this, what do you have to do? You have to go to the file. You have to go to the file, options, and you will be seeing add-ins. Yesterday I have discussed about add-ins. So this is the place where you're gonna get it. File, options, add-in, and then you're gonna select here, com add-ins. You will be selecting which one? Com add-ins. Once you click, you have to click go, and you have to enable this power pivot and click OK. I repeat one more time. File, options, add-in, and here you will be seeing com add-ins here, and then click on go. And then you need to enable this and click OK. Can you guys do it?
Done, sir.
Thank you.
Done, sir.
Hope you guys got this power pivot.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
क्या ब-
Okay, once you are getting this, now you have three tables. We're gonna add in Power Pivot window. How to add the data in Power Pivot window? If you want to know, you have to click on Power Pivot first, then add data to, okay, add to data model. It is mentioned here. If you click on this, automatically this data will go to Power Pivot automatically. You don't have to do anything. So this is your Power Pivot window. You can see here, Power Pivot for Excel. It is mentioned very clearly. The same concept you have to do it here also. Again, you have to switch back, select this product, select this any one column or cell, go to Power Pivot window, add to data model. And again, you will be seeing second table.
Ayub, can you repeat again, please?
First, you need to, have you added this Power Pivot? Is it there in your screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So first click on this and select any one table. Select any one cell. You will see add to data model. Click on that. And this window will pop up and you will get the tables here. So all the three tables should come into Power Pivot. I want everyone to do this. I'm waiting here.
Sir, for me only sales and product came. Customer didn't come.
Again, go back. No, go back and select the customer and do it.
Okay.
What about others?
सर मेरा नहीं आ रहा
Share your screen now.
Okay.
हाँ?
Can I get the access, buddy? Have asked you. See, you just need to click on Power Pivot window like this. You will click add to data model. What is in the middle of action? You have done something here. Why this table is open? Okay, now only this table is there. Select any one cell, add to data model. If you click on that, okay, unable to system object interface, application failed. So you don't have any extra access over here. Okay, let me just click on the file, info. Okay, the file is not saved. Version is which one? 2021. Okay. Add-ins. Com add-ins. And click on go. Okay, you have to uninstall the application and install it one more time. Surfraj. So you have to do that way. Then only you will get it. Close this app and open Excel one more time. Let's see. Now it is showing. So get data from file, from Excel workbook. Again, I'm showing you for the practice purpose to everyone. Where is the file, buddy?
Folder means
Which
Excel
one? Download or desktop? Where?
desktop.
Desktop, XLR, and here Power Query, Power Pivot Data. Actually, you have changed the file name also. So basically, we generally don't do that things. Now here, we're gonna use this three, transform data, and then close and load. Simple concept. So once after doing this, you will select any one cell, go to Power Pivot, add to data model. Interface. Let me just try the second way. Okay. So you got all the three tables. Okay. So keep it as it is. I'll come to that point later on. Okay, guys, once you have done this, now after doing
Madhuna.
after doing this three, you will be clicking on this part. Which part? Let me explain you. If you go to the home tab and if you see here pivot table in Power Pivot, if you click on this, it has to come back saying that new worksheet and click OK, and it will give you the output here. I repeat, you just need to click on home tab, Power Pivot table, and then new worksheet, click OK. Once you click OK here, you will get it here in the Excel worksheet like this. Can you guys see that in yours?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you get this, now I have a few questions over here. I want you guys to cross-check that. Okay. Now assume that I need area-wise total sales. What do I need? Area-wise
Total sales.
total sales. Can you guys get me in the pivot table? Can you get me here, everyone?
Done, sir.
So you're getting the answer. Where is your area? In which table you have?
Sir, customer.
In
Sir.
customer table, you have area.
Area.
In sales table, you have sales.
Sales.
Is it giving you the right answer?
No, sir.
So what it means? It means each region has the same sales. You mean to say that? Yes, no, no, yes.
Have to create a relationship.
So we need to build the relationship between which table?
Customer and sales.
Customer and sales table.
Sir.
Okay, what is the common column between these two tables?
In customer is ID और in product is product ID. In sales में दोनों customer ID and product ID.
Thank you. So that is the right answer. So you will come back to the Power Pivot. You will click on Manage. And once you click on the Manage, you will be back to the Power Pivot option. And once you are into the Power Pivot over here, you will be using Design. And in Design, you will see Create Relationship between the tables. So you have to select which table you want. And here also, you will be selecting the
Sales.
second table. So customer ID, and in the sales, it is customer ID. Can you guys create till here?
Yes, sir.
I hope we are good.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you have done, just click OK. It will build the relationship between the tables, and you'll not see here right now. Just close this window and see the values. The values are different here. Earlier it was different, now it is different. Earlier you had 9,04,000. Now you have different value for different output.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you're gonna build the relationship. And after this, you're gonna create a visuals. So you go to the pivot table, analyze, and you create a visuals. That's it. This is all about your Power Pivot. Again, I'm showing you from the scratch. Please have a look. So once you have got this pivot table, You just need to go to the Power Pivot and click on Manage. So it will open here, Power Pivot option. Once you come to this, you have to click on Design and you have to click on Create Relationship and you have to build the relation between two tables. The first table, it may be sales or customer, and the second table, opposite to that, it should be. So which table you're connecting to. Once you click on this, you need to select customer ID and click OK. I hope this makes clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how many tables we can connect in Power Pivot?
You can create n number of Power Pivot tables, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Once you're done with this, then you can get the information. So once you click OK, already it is created, so it will throw error for me. And you need to close this window and you will get the output here. Based on this, you're gonna create a chart, which is called pivot chart. So this is all about your real-time scenarios you're gonna use in this way. So tomorrow, again, we'll be continuing from here for next half an hour and we'll discuss. So I want you guys to practice this. If you're not getting, let me know. Please save the file.
Thank you, sir.
Practice once. If you're not getting, let me know, guys.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, the Power Pivot was not available for Mac version, sir. And I'm using the Mac version, so is there any alternate solution
You
for
have to
this?
use this one, sir. Windows Virtual Machine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, then only you'll get it.
Okay,
Ayub,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And Anjali, which version you are using? Anjali?
Ayub, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, due to fever, I was not able to attend the last 3 classes.
Sure.
So,
I'm just
if
sharing
I
it.
could put files.
Sir, what should I do? Hello.
Yes, please. Share in the chat box, please, refer.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
what should I do? Ashfaq should go sleep.
Just practice once. If you're not getting, then let me know by tomorrow. I'll be discussing on this topic tomorrow again.
सर मेरा इशू सॉल्व करते हैं
शेयर करो सर स्क्रीन. आपका इश्यू वो एक्चुअली सिस्टम से है, जो एक्सेल आपने डाउनलोड किया. तो जब भी आप ऐसे कनेक्ट करते नहीं,
हाँ
यहाँ
सर
पर कनेक्ट करने के टाइम पे आपको लोड टू डेटा मॉडल करके लिखना पड़ता वहाँ पास. सो कैन आई गेट द एक्सेस?
यस
यहाँ पर जाको पावर पिवट में मैनेज पे क्लिक कर को.
हाँ
यहाँ पर टेबल्स आते हैं, देखे?
हाँ सर
तो यहाँ पर डिजाइन में जाना. अभी यहाँ पर एक और ऐड करना आप टेबल. वो कैसा ऐड करना का, तो प्रोडक्ट को सेलेक्ट करके राइट क्लिक कर को. ओके, ये बहुत हेटिक होता. जस्ट यहाँ पर राइट क्लिक कर को लोड टू ऑप्शन रहता और इसे पिवट टेबल एंड देन क्लिक ओके. क्लिक ओके करेगा तो अपने आप चले जाता वो। अब यहाँ पर देखेगा तो मैनेज में यहाँ पर आ जाता सेकेंड टेबल। कहाँ गया इन्हें? आया नहीं। आया नहीं कहता, यहाँ से लेना पड़ता फिर।
सर कल क्लास में समझाते रहे सर, नहीं समझता।
हाँ ठीक है सर, आ जाओ। लेकिन ये पहले अनइंस्टॉल करो, एक और बार इंस्टॉल करो ये एक्सेल।
ठीक है, ठीक है सर।
शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफिज।